I'm an assistant principal at McFarland Middle School in the District of Columbia. I am a DC native, product of DC Public Schools from 1st grade to 12th grade. I taught for many, many years, and there came a point where I wanted to get into leadership. I reached out and decided it was time to take that step. There's an internship component embedded in each course. It could be in the form of a project where you're working with another school leader to observing teachers within, in my case, it happened to be the school that I was working in, but it really could have been anywhere. I'd been in high school for over 10 years. I went to a middle school. I had a great cooperating principal who's now my principal. The internship experiences are invaluable because you get to go out into the field. It's embedded in the classes that you take, and then you're receiving continuous support and feedback from your advisors, constant communication while you're working, especially if you're a working teacher or administrator doing the program. It's exactly the type of responsive feedback that you would need to be a school leader. Being an equity-centered leader to me means everything from the types of decisions that you make in hiring to how you analyze your students' performance and keeping an eye on your students in various subgroups on how they're performing. It's having an emphasis on anti-racism and social justice in the professional development that you offer your teachers and the curriculum that you offer your students. In my current role, I've led for equity in analyzing student data for our MTSS groups. At the end of every term, for example, always having a breakdown of how our students are performing by race, by gender, by EL groupings, by special education groupings. The ELA program provides real-time experience. There's no sugarcoating anything. So when you're doing your internships, you're gonna be seeing exactly the type of issues that you would be seeing as an administrator. Take advantage of the opportunities that are presented in that program to find a school where you can grow in your internship, and when you do the projects, get out of your comfort zone, do something that you wouldn't have normally done.